Hi guys, it's International Master Evgeny Liseyev, and today we're gonna solve some puzzles here, a puzzle rush on chess.com. We're gonna have 5 minutes and we need to solve as many puzzles as possible. I'm gonna commentate all the way through so you could understand how a professional chess player thinks when he solves the puzzles, when he is trying to find the right move in the position. It's gonna slow me a little bit down, of course, but the main purpose is to help you improve your tactics ability. So, I guess we are ready to go. Let's try. So the first 10 to 15 puzzles have a very typical theme normally to just checkmate your opponent in 1 or 2 moves. Sometimes, if there are no checkmating ideas, you have just to capture one of his pieces. So first of all, you're always looking for checks. For example, here Queen G6 is the only check and it's winning. Here Bishop E5 is the only reasonable check and it's winning. Queen G2 is a checkmate in 1 here. What can I do here? I don't see any checks. I don't see any captures. So I guess I have to play F3 because that's the only active move I see. So first checks, then captures. If there are no checks and no captures, you have to check to look for threats. How you can attack your opponent, how you can create a threat. Here Queen F2 a checkmate in 1, Queen F7 is a checkmate in 1, here the knight is hanging, no checks, so I'm just taking it. Okay, I have to exchange the queens not to lose my rook. And here Queen E8 a checkmate on the back rank. If it's an opponent game, almost always it's about who's gonna promote the queen first, and well, you should be the first one. Here it's a check and we are winning the bishop. Here we can take with this pawn, so we are just taking with this guy. And where should the knight go? Maybe it doesn't have to go because the rook is also hanging, so we have to protect the rook with the knight with the rook. Here it was a checkmate in 1, here seems kind of scary, so we have to be fast. We need to keep some checks and a checkmate. Here it's a checkmate in 1, very simple. Here we have a fork, but he protects, so we have to attack the rook and eliminate the defender for the bishop. Here it's just a checkmate, there is no way to escape for him. Here the rook goes to h5 and rook c2. Yeah, this type of position is a little bit more difficult because we need to sacrifice a rook to give a fork afterwards. Here we have a check, very simple one, which wins the game. Here there is some kind of a fork, so I guess we just play c5 and then take the rook first and then take the knight back. Here, once again, we have a fork, and then where the pawn goes? Pawn goes here, so we have to promote the pawn. Here, I thought we have a fork, but we don't have it, but we have the move h5, and then we win this rook and then the bishop as well. Here it's just checkmate in 1. Here we must take, absolutely. Where should the king go? If we go here, it should be a checkmate, so it's not a move, then it must go back. Here if we go here, we lose the bishop, so we have to go here. So you see, it's the only possible move. That is why it was a little bit simpler. So here we have a check and we need to win some material. I guess just queen takes e2. Okay, what could we... I guess just queen h6 and then a checkmate. Eventually. Okay, here we are a queen down. But we have knight e2 with knight g3 idea. Wow. I guess rook c1 and knight f4. We are still winning. We have 2 rooks here. So maybe... Yeah, but the queen is hanging. The queen is hanging. How do I do that? I guess I have to take here. What do I do afterwards? Is it rook g2? What is it? Maybe queen c3? But yeah, rook g3 for example. I guess rook g2 is the only active move. Okay. That was pretty difficult, but this one is checkmate in 1. Here we have a check, and then we take here and take on h4. Here, this queen should be trapped. b6, rook f7, and we take it. Here we should somehow win the queen or give a checkmate. Okay, we just need to exchange the queens. Yeah, that was tricky. Here, we can take this one, we can... Oh my god. Guess we go forward. Now we need to attack. And we have a rook up. Here it's a checkmate, forcing one. Here it's also should be a checkmate, but... okay, like that. And yeah, here I was not in time. So yeah, I was a little bit slower because I tried to comment everything along the way, but still 42, a pretty decent one. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button if you did. And yeah, if you want to constantly receive some educational videos, subscribe to the channel, and hope to see you again in the next videos.